Step back in time with us, dear viewers. The notion of spectator sports was but a whisper on the wind, and the fields of play were nothing more than patches of grass under the open sky. Welcome to the genesis of football stadiums, where simplicity reigned supreme and the passion of the game knew no bounds. As we embark on this exhilarating journey through the annals of history, we'll delve deep into the origins of football stadiums, tracing their humble beginnings to the quaint fields and makeshift pitches where the beautiful game first took root. Join us for the fascinating stories and simple designs that laid the groundwork for the grand arenas of today. So, without further ado, let's kick off our exploration of the origins of football stadiums and discover how these humble grounds paved the way for the modern marvels that grace our cities today. Get ready to witness the evolution of football stadiums, from grassroots to grandstands, where the spirit of the game has always found a home in the annals of football history. The earliest grounds were nothing short of rudimentary. A vast expanse of open field, bordered by nothing more than a few ramshackle fences, or perhaps a line of spectators perched on wooden benches. These were the humble beginnings of football stadiums, where simplicity reigned supreme, and the love of the game outweighed any concerns for comfort or convenience. The design ethos was as straightforward as the game itself. There were no towering grandstands or state-of-the-art facilities, just a patch of grass and a goal at either end. Focus was on the purity of the sport, with spectators gathering around the perimeter to cheer on their favorite teams and players. Despite their basic nature, these early grounds held a special charm that resonated with players and fans alike. There was an intimacy to the a sense of closeness between players and spectators that is often missing in today's sprawling stadiums. It was a simpler time, to be sure, but one that laid the foundation for the grand spectacles we enjoy today. As the popularity of football grew and the demand for organized venues increased, so too did the evolution of football stadiums. Let us not forget the humble beginnings. Grassy fields, the rise of modern football stadiums. In the grand tapestry of football history, these chapters are as transformative as the evolution of stadiums, from humble fields to awe-inspiring fortresses of the beautiful game. Join us as we delve into the journey of modern stadium design, tracing its roots from the rudimentary pitches of yesterday to the architectural wonders that grace our cities today. The evolution begins as football grew in popularity and the demand for organized venues soared. The era of makeshift fields began to fade into memory. In their place emerged purpose-built stadiums meticulously designed to accommodate the growing throng of spectators and provide a stage worthy of the beautiful game. Gone were the days of uneven turf and goalposts. In their place stood gleaming arenas with pristine pitches and towering grandstands. Safety regulations played a pivotal role in shaping stadium design, ushering in an era of innovation and ingenuity aimed at ensuring the well-being of players and fans alike. Icons of the past. No exploration of modern stadium design would be complete without paying homage to icons of the past. Legendary venues that have stood the test of time, left an indelible mark on the world. From the hallowed grounds of Wembley Stadium to the storied halls of Old Trafford, these early pioneers set the stage for the architectural wonders that would follow. Join us as we journey back to